Welcome back, Crammers, to question 1. The table gives the total area of the forest in each of 6 countries. Which of these 6 countries has the least total area of the forest? First, let's look at the thousands. So here we have 92,000, 5,000, 2,000, 5,000, 3,000, and 4,000. We can see that 2,000 is the least area, and that goes to El Salvador. Moving on, write down the value of 4 in 92,410. So we can write here ones, tens, and hundreds. Since 4 is in the hundreds, we can simply write 400. Two of the 6 countries each have a total area of 5,000 kilometers squared when rounded to the nearest thousand. Write down the name of the 2 countries. So first off, I can see here which values are close to 5,000. So here we have 5,871, we have 51,050, and 49,010. When rounding up or down, we simply follow 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5 to 9 we round up, 1 to 4 we round down. So here Denmark, see after the 1000s is 8. And since 8 is between 5 and 9, we round up. So our answer here is 6,000. So this is wrong. Here we have 51,000. 1 is between 1 and 4, so we round down. This is 5,000, so this is correct. 49,000. Since 9 is between 5 and 9, we round up. And this is also 5,000, so this is our other answer. We have the Bahamas and Syria. Write down the number 3,371 in words. So remember, we have ones, we have tens, we have 100s, and we have 1,000s. Moving on from the left, we can see here we have a 3. So first off, we write 3, and then it's in the thousands area. So I can write here 1,000. Then moving on, we have 3 in the hundreds. So we write again 3, and then 100, and we have 7 in the 10th. So we write 70, and we have 1 in 1. So we simply write 1, and that is our final answer. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.